Hello everyone. It's been a little while since I uploaded a video. I got a full-time job, so kind of have to take a break on things. Today, I'm gonna finally get to adding a couple pieces of trim for the doors, and then hopefully painting most of the chrome black. Um, I'm gonna start with like the grill and this bull bar, the lights, and the mirrors, and then we'll see how far I get and how much paint I have. Cool, well, let's get into it. So, it's not too bad to take this grill off. Okay, went to the store, got some tape, got some prep. And I got some of this stuff, one-step primer, and then black rocker guard. So, the best thing you can do when you're painting something is prep. It's like 90% prep, 10% spray paint, or spraying paint. So the better surface you have, the better adhesion you have, and the longer your paint job lasts. So I'm just gonna scratch up all the surfaces, then clean everything up really well, mask everything off, and spray some paint. And I'll prep everything before I open the paint, just so I can make sure I use the paint. Most of it you can just use it for however long you want. Just stop spraying, but I think the rocker guard, you want to use the whole thing once you open it because it clogs really easily. So this stuff that I'm going to use is called wax and grease remover. Multi-surface heavy duty cleaner. You pretty much just wipe everything down once you're done sanding, and it takes all the dust away and any wax and or grease left on it, and again helps with the adhesion. So what I'm doing is you put tape down first, then when you cut it back, you can just tape the sheet to the tape. And you don't need to like mess around with the sheet flapping around. Most of this I think is good. A lot of people racing around today. You want to make sure your bag is secured. You don't want it flapping into your project. All right, let's see how this looks. Oh yeah. So after you got it all masked would be when you do your final run with the wax and grease remover. Even just your hands, the grease from your fingertips can cause paint to not stick well. So it might not be greasy, but it's definitely dirty. There we go. So I'm gonna shake this up for a little while and be right back. Okay, got this paint pretty much mixed up. I prepped the rest of the pieces so I can just keep on spraying. So this is self-etch primer, so it should lay on metal pretty well. Time to spray the rocker guard. It's like Plasti Dip on crack. So while that is drying, we have this lower trim I have the replacement for, and then we're going to prep this whole area, and then this as well. The front half is not a big deal, and also the top isn't that big of a deal because I have new rain guards to go on. But yeah, just mainly getting this face. I mean, I'd like to get the center part too, but I don't know if I'll be able to. But I'll start off by taking this trim off and then scuffing up the door and masking it off. So apparently I forgot to plug my phone in, and it died while I was recording that last video. So I have taped. It is all ready. I scraped it, I prepped it. Oh no, I didn't prep it yet. I was gonna put the masking on, tape that down, and then prep the stuff with the prep all, and then give it a quick coat. I figured while I'm here and have the masking already on the car, I'll just get this mirror out of the way. I'm just taking off all the masking and making sure I don't lose any garbage. Or lose any of my magnets. So my recording keeps stopping. I think my phone might be overheating. So I'll just check up on it every once in a while. Make sure I'm not talking to myself. Welcome to day 2. I went to a car meet this morning, and on my way home I blew one of the primaries for my my aftermarket headers on the Forester. So I managed to make it back home. Gonna wait for it to cool off, but let's get in here. So that was the little hole up top. And then the whole fucking runner blew off. Completely off. Just popped it right off. It took me a little while to get to work. It's now the same time I stopped working yesterday. Pretty close to it. So it's already hot. But today I'm not doing as many labor-intensive things. I am popping my door cards off, replacing my door handles, and the little locking thing. Super common to break on these, and I ended up picking up some just on Amazon. I don't know exactly where they're from. So yeah, pop the door cards off. This one I might try and repair it while I got it off. I think I have some epoxy somewhere, so I'll see what I can do with that. But yeah. So there's this clip. There it is, little clip. This new one has its own clip on it, so should be nice and easy. So I believe this new clip has to be bent around, pushed on, kind of like the old clip was. There we go. Oh yeah. Nice. Oh, that feels so much better. There's resistance on the handle. It looks way better. Awesome. So this one's ready to go back together. I'll probably work on the door card first and then put this one together afterwards. Now that I have the door handles all sorted out, it's time to put on the fog lights that I refinished yesterday. I put some new LED bulbs in them. I'm not sure how well they're gonna work, but they turned out really nice. Hello. Now that I'm all done for the day, thought I'd take a quick little overview. Got new of that, painted all the pillars, rain guards, painted the mirror, painted everything on the front here, added a bunch of little plugs for all the holes, and all in all just got it looking a lot better than it was. I'm really pumped on how it's turning out. Very excited for wheels and tires, which hopefully will be coming soon. And then repaint this, new trim. I might change the color of the two-tone. Not 100% yet, but I might. New corner lights, because that one's really gross. A lot wider stance. Should look really good. And drive really good. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you later.